Unlocking the graphics settings in Valorant can enhance your gaming experience by allowing you to customize the visuals to your preference. Follow these steps to adjust your settings easily. Step 1. Launch Valorant. Open the Valorant game on your computer. Wait for the game to load completely before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Access Settings menu. Once in the main menu, locate the gear icon or the Settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to Graphics Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Graphics tab. Click on it to access the graphics settings where you can adjust various visual options. Step 4. Adjust graphics quality. Within the graphics settings, you will see options for quality presets and individual settings. Choose a preset that suits your preference or manually adjust settings like texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Step 5. Save and apply changes. After making your desired adjustments, make sure to save the changes. Look for an apply button or similar option to ensure your new settings take effect before exiting the menu. By following these steps, you can easily unlock and customize the graphics settings in Valorant to enhance your gameplay experience. Enjoy your game.